His arm's messing up though.
We'll change arms here. Show her how it's done, Jake.
No, gotta go back to the other arm, I believe. The other arm's better.
Oh,
Jake's fine.
where's the girl?
He's so tickly, irritating. That was juicy, boy. You want to hear how your mommy doesn't listen?
I like it.
You leave something in your pants. Alright, y'all. One more hand, because... I'm sending this to Uncle Bob. Come on, one more hand. Is anybody gonna pull